Children, good morning. We continue with our lesson number 9, our skeletal system. As we discussed that our human body is made up of organs, different organs like heart, brain, lungs, kidney, and these organs some organs together, they form the organ system. And this organ system, like we discussed, that we have digestive system, we have respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, and so forth. So coming to the skeletal system, when we take up the human skeleton, just have a look at this picture. I hope you can all see. Have a look. This is your skeletal system, our skeleton, human skeleton. From skull to your feet, you can see the whole skeletal system. Okay? Now children, the human skeleton is a framework of bones. As you can touch your body, you can feel that there are bones in our body. It encloses and protects all the internal organs and gives support and strength and shape to the body. Children, if you see this picture again, this whole skeleton system you can see made up of bones, and these bones, they give you a protection to the organs, because these organs like heart, your lungs, your kidney, your stomach, they are very important and delicate. So they need support and they need protection so that they are intact. So they protect even your brain. Okay? So all the skull protects the brain. This rib cage, it protects your heart and lungs too. This you can see the rib cage. You study in details about this. Then you have the kidney. These girdles, they protect it. So all these give your body, the bones, give your organs protection, and they give you support and they give you the shape of the body, like we are standing. Because of these bones, we are standing straight, erect. So it not only protects your internal organ and encloses, means keep it inside, all your internal organs are inside the things in the bones, protected in the bone, and gives support and strength and shape. Our body is straight, we stand erect because of these bones. They give the shape to the body. It gives you strength. These muscles, they give you strength to run, to perform different functions. So these bones, the skeleton system is very important. The skeleton is a bony structure that provides firm shape to your body and support the muscles attached. And the muscles are attached to your bones, you know that. That's why you can stretch your arms and legs. And this protect the body organ, like the skull, as I told you, protects the brain. Brain is very soft. Our heart, our lungs are protected in the rib cage. The bones give the shape, and the joints, they keep the thing in the place. Means the bones and the muscles, they help us the movement and in the proper place they are. So we will discuss about this thing in details one by one. Children, remember, an adult human being, when a human being becomes an adult, he has total 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. 206 bones altogether we have in our body. The skeletal system consists of the skull. Touch and feel your skull, your backbone. At the back you have the backbone, and the rib cage, which is protecting your heart and lungs, and the two pair of have discussed that we have two pair of limbs. This is the four limbs which we call as arms. Human beings, they call it arms, four limbs, and the hind limbs are your legs. So we have two pairs, means four limbs together, two used as arm and two used as legs. And then these limbs are attached to the girdles. Girdles are in the shoulder. Here you can feel there is a bone which is, and in the hip we have girdles. So these limbs which we will discuss one by one, they are girdles which are attaching the muscles and the bones, and for our movement we can move, we can turn. Okay, so this is all about the skeletal system, or the skeleton is a framework of bones, 206 bones in an adult, which help to protect the organs in our body, internal organs, and give our body proper shapes. It supports the body and protects our organs. And you know, these in the skeletal system you have the skull, you